So guys, I'm going to assume that you have a 3DS running custom firmware on it. So this is the DS game that I want to remove from my homepage. It's called Chrono Trigger. So for the first step, you want to go to FBI. You want to launch FBI. Here it is. You want to launch FBI. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Titles. And now you want to find your DS game that you want to remove from your homepage. For me, my DS games are located at the very bottom in purple. So let me just scroll all the way down to the very bottom. So here are all my DS games right here. These are all the DS games that show up on my homepage. So now to remove it from my homepage, you want to find your DS game, double click on it. Now you want to click on delete tile. And then click on yes. And then click on OK. Don't worry, it's not going to uninstall the game from your system. It's only going to remove it from the home page. Now, if we go to home, the game is now gone. That's how you do it. It's still in my system and I can access it through the Twilight menu.